Welcome to 5 Mckee Place in Kingsley. This stunning 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in a leafy, quiet cul-de-sac, surrounded by the best neighbours who are sad to see these lovely people leave. It's my absolute pleasure to welcome you to it. So we've got a nice veranda outside the front, perfect for sunsets and sitting out and having a glass of wine. So let me take you through this beautiful home. So to the left is where the lounge is. Solid wood flooring, soaring high ceilings, lovely fireplace. You've got formal dining to the side, which you could use if you wanted, I suppose, for another lounge area, activity area for kids, study, library. Options are endless. So then we'll go now to the right, and here's the master bedroom or the main bedroom. Again, high ceilings, beautiful neutral decor throughout, solid wood flooring again in here, air conditioning in this room, a floor to ceiling tiled bathroom in fantastic condition. This home has been so lovingly cared for. And then you've got the walk-in robe. So I'm going to take you now through the rest of the home. And this is where we get the wow factor. How gorgeous is this? A beautifully renovated kitchen, chef designed, perfect for pastry. The home chef is going to be delighted here, I certainly would be. You've got a dishwasher, you've got 5-burner gas cooktop, 900mm oven, fitted built-in robe, cupboard, pantry. Then you've got fridge recess, and then you go into the family area. And again, it's just got such a gorgeous feel. Air conditioned in here, gorgeous view to the outside, so outside blends beautifully to the inside of this home. So I'll show you the minor bedrooms next. So bedroom 2, they're all generous in size, they've all got a nice study nook area for kids, they've all got built-in robes. So there's nothing to do in this home, it's just move-in ready. Bedroom 3. And then down into bedroom 4. Can't describe just how this home feels, how welcoming it is. Then you've got bathroom 2 with bath, and then a generous laundry. Cool. Got a nice stained glass laundry window. So I'm going to take you outside this way. So outside you've got a lawn area for the kids. Tick that box. We've got a powered workshop for those who are handy. You've got reticulated lush gardens, and then you've got this magnificent pool, lovely pool, spa area down there for the adults, waterfall feature, and then when you get down to the shallow end, that's for the toddlers, that's for the littlies, for them to get used to the water safely and be supervised. Gorgeous veranda area for entertaining all year round. Quiet, peaceful spot. Then you've got the gazebo down here with the bar area. So it's been a great entertainment.